In this video, we are going to solve a problem on assigning configuration for helically chiral molecule. Generally, a molecule can be chiral if it has 4 different groups attached with carbon. So that is chiral carbon. The second one, if it has chiral axis, then that will be optically active. It is known as heteroisomerism. Generally, it is observed in spiral compounds, allenes and biaryls. The third one, it is chiral plane. In substituted cyclophanes, we can come across such optical activity. Last one, it is helical compound. So even in helical compound which has helical shape, we can get optical activity. This particular compound, it is a helical compound. Since there is 2 methyl group, there will be steric hindrance if they exist in the same plane. In order to avoid that, one methyl group will be somewhat higher compared to the other one. They will be in 2 different planes. Because of that, they form a helical shape. If it is a planar molecule, then it will be optically inactive because it has plane of symmetry, and the plane of symmetry will be here, provided all the carbon atoms and methyl groups, they are in the same plane. But since they are in different plane, there is no plane of symmetry and it becomes optically active. Regarding this compound, they are given 4 statements. The first one, the compound is chiral and the configuration is P. The second one, it is M configuration. Third and fourth, the compound is achiral. It has C2 axis. It has plane of symmetry. Already we have seen this compound is optically active. So it is basically a chiral molecule. But what about the configuration? It is very simple. You have to check whether it has clockwise rotation or anti-clockwise rotation. And you have to start from the top one, not from the bottom. That is, this particular ring, it is on the top. From that, I go towards this. When I go like that, whether it is clockwise or anti-clockwise. You can see here it is clockwise direction. If it is clockwise, then you have to say P configuration, P for plus. If it is anti-clockwise direction, that is the mirror image of this will be something like this. So this is the mirror image of this one. From the top, I go here. So this will be anti-clockwise direction. So that one will be M configuration. So we also use another nomenclature, that is delta and lambda. So delta for P, lambda for M. Instead of P, they can give this also. Since it has clockwise rotation, the configuration should be P, not M. So the answer is 1.